We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, today we'll discuss about some common Viva questions which is asked in practical examination. So these are the questions, and here the title of the practical may be identification of 2 cations and 2 anions in a given sample mixture. So what are the questions in the topic we will see about that. The first question may be like, what is qualitative analysis? An answer will be the type of analysis that deals with the methods which are used to determine the constituents of the compound. So here is the answer for that. Second question may be like that, what is a radical? A radical may be defined as an atom or group of atoms which carries a charge and behaves as a single unit in chemical reaction. What are acidic and basic radicals? So answer may be the radicals carrying positive charge are called basic radicals, and those carrying negative charge are called acidic radicals. What type of bond is present in an inorganic salt? Electrovalent type of bond is present in an inorganic salt. The acid radicals detected with dilute H2SO4. The answer will be CO3 minus 2, S minus 2, SO3 minus 2, and NO2 minus 2. NO2 minus. Name the acid radicals detected by concentrated H2SO4. These are the radicals: chloride, bromide, iodide, nitrate, CH3COO minus. Name the radicals which are tested with the help of sodium carbonate extract. So that these are the radicals: sulfur ions, chloride ions, bromide, iodide, phosphate, sulfate, and SO3 minus 2. Name the radical which produce CO2 on heating, that is carbonate. Name the salts which produce cracking sound when heating, that is lead nitrate, barium nitrate, potassium bromide, sodium chloride. What is lime water? The solution of calcium hydroxide in water is called lime water. To determine the percentage of the copper in the given sample of brass. So this is a kind of a question like that. So what is brass? Brass is an alloy of copper or and zinc. Give the chemical composition of brass. The concentration of brass is 60 to 80%, zinc 20 to 40% among the small amount of lead, tin, and iron. What is normality? The fraction of gram equivalent of a substance dissolved per liter of solution is known as normality. What is standard solution? Standard solution is that whose strength is known. By which method we determine the percentage of copper? We determine the percentage of copper by iodometrically. What is iodometric titration? Volumetric analysis in which iodine is liberated during a chemical reaction from Ki is known as iodometric titration. So what is titration? Titration is a common process in which the concentration of an unknown solution is determined with the help of standard solution and indicator. Titration is mainly of 4 types: acidimetry, alkalimetry, redox titration, iodometry, iodimetry, and precipitation. What is the end point? When the reaction of two solution is completed, that point is known as end point. Give the types of indicator. 3 types of indicator: internal indicator, external indicator, and self indicator. To determine the percentage of iron in an iron salt by redox titration. So what are redox titration? Reactions which involve simultaneous oxidation and reduction are called redox titration, and the titration involving redox reactions are called redox titration. The first one is redox reaction and second one is redox titration. What is self indicator? When one of the reactant itself acts as an indicator and no external substance is required to indicate the end point of the titration. What is spermatometry? Redox titration involving KMnO4 as the oxidizing agent are known as or is called as spermatometer titration. Why KMnO4 solution is kept in dark or colored bottle? Because in the presence of sunlight, KMnO4 disintegrate. This is the main reason why we kept the KMnO4 solution in dark or uh, color bottle. In which terms we express the percentage of iron? Percentage of iron is expressed in terms of gram. What is titration? The process of adding one solution from the burette to another in the titration flask in order to complete the chemical reaction involved is known as titration. What is indicator? Indicator is a chemical substance which changes color at the end point. What is end point? The stage during titration at which the reaction is on an end point of the titration. What is acidimetry and alkalimetry? It is a branch of volumetric analysis involving chemical reaction between an acid and base. Why the last drop of solution must not be blown out of the pipette? Since the drops left in the jet and is extra of the volume measured by the pipette. So answer may be, this is an important question, why the last drop of the solution must not be blown out of the pipette, and the answer will be, since the drops left in the jet means the tip of that pipette and is extra of the volume measured by the pipette. So that volume is not included in uh, the volume field in the pipette. Measurement of pH of different solutions. What is pH? The pH of the solution is the negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. So the formula is pH is equal to log H plus ion concentration. What is the effect of temperature on pH? The pH value of solution increases with increase of temperature. What is the pH of pure water at 25 degree? That is 7. The answer will be 7. What is effect of dilution on pH of an acidic solution? pH increases towards 7. What does pH of the solution signify? It signifies the H3O plus ion concentration in moles per liter. What does pH of the solution if it is acidic? pH of the acidic solution is less than 7. What is an acid base indicator? An acid base indicator is an organic compound which changes its color within certain pH range. What is ionic product of water? Kw, and the answer will be Kw is equal to H3O plus concentration and OH minus concentration. What do you mean by universal indicator? It is a mixture of several indicators having different pH ranges. Does addition of salt having a common ion onto weak acid change the pH of the solution? Yes. The pH of the solution increases. To find out the hardness of water by EDTA method. What is the trade name of EDTA? That is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. What is hardness of water? The property of water which restricts or checks the lathar formation with soap is called hardness. So the property of water which restricts or checks the lathar formation with soap is called hardness. What is temporary or carbonate hardness? It is caused by presence of carbonate, mainly bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. What is permanent or non-carbonate hardness? It is caused by chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Which indicator is employed by EDTA titration? That is, Eriochrome black tea is used in EDTA titration. What are complexometric titration? titration depending on the combination of ions other than H plus and OH minus ions to form a soluble, slightly dissociated ion or compound are called complementary titration. Name the most important complexing agent employed in complementary titration. That is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid. How the equivalence point is detected in the complementary titration. The equivalence point is indicated by the use of metal ion indicator such as Iriochrome black tea. Which type of ligand is used? Which type of ligand is EDTA? It serves as an hexadentate ligand and act as an chelating agent. What is buffer solution? A buffer solution is defined as solution which resists in its pH value even when small amount of acid or base are added to it. Approximate analysis of call. These are the some of the questions are there, and may be useful for that. Flashpoint, fire and oils. These are the other some of the questions indicated over here. Determine viscosity by Redwood viscometer. So here the some question like what is viscosity? So the answer may be it may be defined as a measure of the internal resistance to motion of a fluid by reason of a forces of cohesion between molecules. Unit of viscosity is poise. Significance of viscosity. Viscosity is the only property of the lubricant oils and their performance under operating condition. Caloric, this is the calorimeters are used. These are the questions like that. So here may be question like what is exothermic reaction? Exothermic reaction is the reaction in which the heat is generated. Thank you. This is the end of the lecture.